gathered here today in order to witness and celebrate a very special event, the union of Olivia and Jonathan in this most holy sacrament of matrimony.
The world may rearrange, and the colors they may change. Oh,
The story of your lives gives us an insight. When you mix it with the scriptures that you pick personally for us to consider on this your wedding day.
to make you smile. The rivers they may run, and the changes they may come.
The promise that you make to one another isn't a bilateral one. It's a triangular one. God already said, I love you. That's how you came into being. And now you're saying, and I love you, God. Jonathan, Olivia, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
I do, yes.
Yes.
Are you prepared, as you follow the path of marriage, to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Are you prepared to accept children lovingly from God and to bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church?
I am. I, Jonathan,
I, Olivia,
take you, Olivia,
take you, Jonathan,
to be my wife.
to be my husband.
Promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to
in
you
good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you,
to love you
to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Jonathan, you can kiss your wife.
Keep all of these words close to your heart. I'm gonna love you all my life. I'm gonna love you all my life. This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going.
As Olivia's father, it has been my main focus in life to provide for and protect her. Now, that job will be yours, Jonathan. It's your job to make it work, and your job to pick up the pieces when it doesn't. So don't screw it up.
Here we are, forever starts today.
And Living, I hope you know that I will always be here for you. I will always have your back. I will always cheer you on, and I will always be ready to face life by your side. And I hope that you know that being your big sister has been one of the greatest joys of my life, and that I love you more than words can say.
Through every season, together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits.
I have personally seen Jonathan full of joy and happiness since you guys have been together, and it's been so awesome to see. I will continue to pray that you guys keep Jesus at the center of your relationship and now marriage, like you have been.
Forever starts today.
She has grown to be this beautiful woman you see here today. But to me, she'll always be the girl that held my hand
Through life's ups and downs. So Jonathan, I hope growing old with her is as much fun as growing up with her was. Because she's the best thing that you'll ever have. So please cherish her.
This is our time. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever stars. Through it all, the world we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we forever start.